Greetings everyone, this is our digital logic circuit project. Our project is digital lock system using simple logic gates. I am Sarita Sumanidhi and my other groupmates names and details are also mentioned here. The problem statement is manual lock system isn't safe anymore nowadays. Locking the door manually these days can be easily bypassed, keys can be forgotten inside the house. And this is a very common scenario for most of the people. Here comes the solution, digital lock system. So, digital lock system is a very low cost, easy to go installation service and a very convenient security solution. These also provide a keyless way. Our digital lock system is password based. We use password in many electronic devices to protect them from sneak peek. So the digital lock system can secure home locker easily. It will only give the person ability to access the door when the password is only correct. The circuit of the project is very simple and the user can use it without any kind of hesitations and complications. Now I am going to describe about the components we have used in our project and we have learned it from our DLC course. First component is switch here where we have used 0 and 1 as values which are also inputs. We have used switch for storing values also. Then we have used XOR gates, NOT gates and AND gates. Here, NOT gates and AND gates are basic gate and XOR gates are exclusive gates. We have used total 9 switches, 4 XOR gates, 5 inverters, 5 AND gates and 2 LEDs. That's all from me. Now my group mate Mr. Nasif will continue with the rest. Thank you.
Thank you, Nidhi, to give me the opportunity describe about my part. Hello everyone, I am Nasibul Haq Shohan from CSC department. My describing part is project demonstration. Our project is digital digital door lock. Here is the circuit we use. We use 4 key to store that password and 4 key to input the password. If the store password and input password is same, then the green light is up and the door will be open. And if the store password and given password is not correct, same, that will be count as wrong password and the red light is up and the gate could not be open. And this is how our gate work, and our working procedure will describe Mr. Amir Hamza, and I am requesting him to describe about working procedure. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Amir Hamza. Let's talk about our working procedure of our project. Let's look up. Here we can see E1 the mart key and E8 the input key. Let's talk about correct password. For correct password we need to take same values from E1 and E8 and the values goes to E1. The values goes to XOR gate U4 and we know if the values are same then the output will be 0. The 0 output goes to NOT gate and we know NOT gate that inverts the value, and the output 1 goes to U2 AND gate and U20 AND gate, and the values remain same 1. Then the values goes to U22, and for logic purpose of our circuit we take a constant value 1. So the constant value 1 and the input we get from U21 goes to AND gate U22 and gives an ultimate output 1, which means this is correct and light green. Now let's talk about the incorrect password. Here we have the same mart key and input key. Here in incorrect password scenario, the values in mark K and input K are not same. So the different values from input and part K goes to XOR gate, and we know if the values are different, then it's provide 1. The 1 output goes to NOT gate and it's invert the value, and the output 1 goes to AND gate U13 and U20, and the output U20 is 0. So the 0 output, if it goes to U22, and the constant we have for the logic purpose of our circuit 1, if it goes to AND gate U22, then it gives output 0. But here, if the 0 goes to NOT gate, then NOT gate inverts the value, and the NOT gate value 1 gives input 1, it's go to U23, and the constant value 1 goes to U23, then it's provide ultimate outcome 1, which means this is incorrect and the light will be red.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Manjurul Kabir Chanda. On behalf of my team, I will be presenting from here on. So, why should someone use a digital lock? The purpose of any lock is to provide security, and digital lock does just that. It is the best way to keep a property secure. It gives us the privilege of keyless entry and exit. Instead of keys, this type of system requires a numerical code to grant entry. It eliminates the risk of losing keys. It is easy to change the security pin whenever necessary. Moving on, we have the convenience and inconveniences of digital locks. The conveniences of digital locks. It provides us higher security. It uses different hardware and different types of designs than other types of locks. So they can be bumped like conventional locks. This makes it more secure. Traditional locks may malfunction after a certain time, but with standard hardware, digital locks are more durable than conventional locks. Just like any standard locks, digital locks can be easily installed in any standard door. It can also be used as a part of an access control system, thus can be used to restrict access to certain parts of a facility. Moving on, we have the inconveniences. First of all, it's very costly. Compared to a conventional lock, it is much more expensive. Keypad locks are very secure, but as these are digital devices, they can be hacked, so a person can gain access without the passcode. If a person forgot the code to the lock, they can be locked out of their homes and other properties. And as these keypad locks are electrically powered, during blackout it won't function unless it has battery backup. So that is all from me. From here on, my teammate Omar Farooq will continue the rest. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Omar Farooq Dihan. Thanks to my friend for giving me chance to describe my part. I will summarize our project. So, first of all, I describe to day-to-day use in our daily life. Almost every person use mobile phone and smartphone and so many digital devices. So to keep our device secure, we use digital lock. Our project is also the same thing. Now there was a simple circuit. We are designed the circuit by using basic gates for understanding easily. We are use only XOR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. We didn't use any integrated circuit so that everyone can understand clearly how a digital lock actually works. Now I describe the improvement by digital lock system. We can improve our keyless home security with backup power. The parts are typically located on the underside of the lock. We must remember to replace the batteries as quickly as possible to avoid future issues. There are so many future importance of digital lock system. We can quickly access through smartphone application, instant alert for every single operation, built-in alarm technology senses potential unauthorized access and tamper attempt. That's all from me. Everyone. Thank you.